This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by on Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout, just my trade journal market analysis. Yes, price action levels Wednesday, February 7th, 2024. Daily affirmation, I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules. Flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. On the left, we've got the NASDAQ. Note, here we are 3 days into the week, and we've got the body of the candle below the bodies of the prior 2 days and above the 9 EMA. The ES is a lot more consolidated. We've got the body of the candle, very thin body here, hovering in the range of the prior 2-day bodies, and then the dollar's down, not by a lot. Monday it came from a lot lower, not a lot lower, but lower, and right now we've just been frozen in time here for several hours at these levels, especially for the ES. It's not really going anywhere. So I need to go down into the smaller time frames and just look at this. It may be one of those days where I don't do any kind of risk because I'm not going to try to see a setup that's not there. Let's go to the next chart on a smaller time frame for the ES. Next chart. Wednesday looks to be so far one of those days that's going to be requiring patience and a lot of discipline because I have nothing to show except this Asian high, 49.8350. And why did it happen in Asian high? What was the catalyst? I don't have those answers, but I do know this gray rectangle here, this is the new week open gap high and low, and all we've done for basically since New York midnight open, which is 49.7525, and London open 49.72, we've pretty much stayed in this consolidated compression range. You can see as I speak we're breaking out of it a little bit with this candle, but I don't want to put a lot of risk on at this point. I'm not liking this kind of a setup, and when we have so much time in a compression zone like this, it just doesn't make sense, but just to wait and sit on hands. So that's what I'm going to do. So what do we have above here? The Asian highs, of course, we have 5,000. We have the prior 2-2, 49.9775. So that's one option. The other option is we break back down into that daily volume imbalance that we never repriced that I covered in the earlier videos. But for now, it's just waiting. Even if we go back to 49.83, I am not going to do anything. I'm not going to fade. It's just not enough range for a long enough time period. Waiting for the time of day. Let's see what the AM morning trade crew is going to do with the RTH session. And I may wait all day and just sit it out and do something for Thursday instead. So short video, but this is the most important discipline. Is sometimes it's all about preserving capital, managing risk, and staying out unless you really see your setup on your time of day, and that's what I'm going to do. Aloha, take care, shout out to the OG subscribers, and welcome all 2024 subscribers. Thank you so much. Aloha.